I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both cloud accounts and the necessary desktop clients so you can move files reliably. Sign into OneDrive and Google Drive, enable two-factor authentication for safety, and install each official desktop app. Once done, choose whether you want one-way backup from OneDrive to Google Drive or full two-way sync. That decision defines folder structure and conflict rules. Make sure you have enough storage. Then create clear local folders to map OneDrive and Google Drive before continuing to automated steps. Next, configure precise mappings so files flow predictably between clouds. Point OneDrive to a dedicated local folder path that won't move, and configure Google Drive for desktop to mirror that target or stream files into a separate folder. If you need two-way sync, set up a trusted sync utility or a scheduled script. Specify include /exclude filters, size limits, and conflict resolution rules. Once done, run a small test with a few sample files and folders to verify timestamps, permissions, and that no duplicates are created. Finish by executing a complete sync and validating results across both services so you're confident everything replicated correctly. Check file counts, sizes, and modified timestamps. Make sure sharing and permissions carried over as expected. If issues appear, inspect sync logs, pause and resume the clients, and reauthorize accounts. A reliable troubleshooting step is clearing the desktop app cache and remapping the folders, then rerunning the sync for problem items. Finally, schedule regular sync checks and backups to maintain consistency over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.